welcome to the Gnome Lab. So this is our last dish in the series of Beyond Meat. I'm going to be cooking some vegan steak, and I'm going to serve that up with some strawberry sauce with kimchi and ginger, spiced up with a little bit of peppermint and served up with potatoes. Let's go. So I'm going to be frying the steak now on both sides for about 8 or 9 minutes. So while the steak is cooking, I'm going to chop up some strawberries for our strawberry sauce and grate some ginger. So once the steak is done, we're going to fry some ginger in the same pan. I'm going to chop the strawberries, a bit of kimchi paste, a little bit of maple syrup, and we're done. The steak is now cooked, so I'm going to transfer that to another dish. In the same pan, I'm going to chuck some of the ginger, a bit of ginger for the sauce in the pan. Give it a quick stir. Now add a little bit of the kimchi paste. Now some water to the pan and reduce it. The strawberry sauce is now reduced. I'm going to put it in the blender and give it a quick blitz. And now we're ready to plate up the dish. I'm going to create a little circle of that lovely strawberry sauce that we created. I'm going to cut up the steak. I'm going to serve it a few boiled potatoes, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salad. So let's go. So here's a finished dish of vegan steak with some lovely strawberry and kimchi sauce and some new potatoes. Enjoy.